Welcome to our channel, where today we are exploring the exciting convergence of Netflix and IPTV. But first, have you checked out the best IPTV provider, 2TV.store? Links in the description. Contact Nancy for exclusive deals. So, what exactly is IPTV, and how does it enhance your Netflix experience? IPTV transmits your favorite channels through the internet. Imagine combining that with Netflix for non-stop entertainment. Let's get into the details. To watch Netflix on IPTV, ensure your IPTV service supports app installations. Platforms like 2TV.store often offer such flexibility. This is crucial for the setup process. Next, download the Netflix app onto your IPTV-enabled device. Navigate through straightforward steps on the App Store to integrate your Netflix account seamlessly. Your favorite series awaits. Now, let's discuss some legalities. Make sure your IPTV service is legitimate to avoid potential issues. Always check licensing agreements to protect your viewing rights and enjoy worry-free streaming. That's it for today. With these steps, elevate your viewing pleasure by merging the best of Netflix with the convenience of IPTV. Subscribe for more insights into the digital universe. See you soon.